Of my grandma's house. And then we got the sweatpants. These are all the patches I've done.
Of course, these are the varsities coming from my brand, Wassup Creators. Let's take a good look at it. You know what I'm saying?
Me and Chief Justice Patrick. This is
So let's get a clean look at that.
yeah. So this is
How we doing today?
I'm good.
All right, that's what's up. So the first thing we're gonna start off with, what's your name and where you from?
My name is Whitney. I'm from Harlem, New York. So what I do for a living is I'm a content creator and also a sneaker customizer.
Oh,
but
wow.
with the clothing, I upscale clothing. So I may find reusable fabrics at random stores, and then I create like something like this, like a vest or
wow, that's what's
sweatpants
up.
or something like that.
All right, so you have your own brand per se.
Yeah. So my brand is the Creative Era, and I've had it for what, 12 years, going on 12 years. In
12
January
years?
will be 12 years. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a while.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So that's what you're wearing right now.
That's what I'm wearing right
All
now.
So let's get into that fit. What you got here? We got
All
a
right,
vest.
so we got the vest. We got my last name in the honor of my grandma's house.
Yeah.
And then we got the sweatpants. These are all the patches I've done individually. Some paint splatters here, the Nike, and it's comfortable. It's super comfortable.
So let me get this straight first. You made this
From scratch.
from scratch.
Both pieces from scratch.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah.
That's dope, Winnie. That's what's up. Where do you shop in New York City, if anywhere?
So I usually shop at a spot, it's called The Spot,
Yeah,
NYC.
right.
It's in
Yeah.
Brooklyn. It's in the Albee Square Mall in
All right.
Brooklyn.
So would you consider yourself a sneakerhead?
Yes, definitely a sneakerhead.
Okay.
I won't say like a crazy sneakerhead like everybody else, but I got a few. See, I'm very selective about what kind of footwear I buy, and it
Understand.
gotta be unique. It can't just be hype beats. I don't like that hype. I'm not into the hype beats.
Yeah.
I'm into, if you see my feet where you be like, yo, I ain't never see those before. Yeah.
So it's safe to say you're not into the resale market.
No.
And why would that be?
It's watered down. It's watered down. I feel like people are just, they go for the hype. They don't want to be unique. They just want to look like everybody else to say that they got it.
As a designer, what advice would you give to up-and-coming designers such as yourself?
The advice I would give to an upcoming designer or any designer or anybody is to just keep going, because the journey is gonna have its ups, it's gonna have its downs, but as long as you're passionate about what you're doing, you're gonna forever want to keep going.
Yeah, that's some dope advice, Whitney. I appreciate that. Well, okay, it's nice meeting you, Whitney.
Nice meeting you
Thank
too.
you so much for the short interview. I appreciate you. Where can people find you?
At the Creative Era.
At the Creator, so that's all your handles: Instagram.
Instagram, TikTok. I'm on Pinterest. I'm on everything.
Okay. All right, no problem, Whitney. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
No problem.
All right. What's going on, Creator? How we doing today?
You already know the creators creating.
What's your name and where you from?
My name Dream. I'm from Queens.
All right, Dream from Queens?
Yeah.
So you're from the city?
Yeah, from
All
town.
right, that's what's up. That's what's up. Where do you shop in New York City, if anywhere?
I'm gonna be honest with you. Right now, I'm not shopping nowhere. Right now I'm just focusing on my brand.
All right.
Every little bit of money I got, I put towards my brand. Back in the day, I used to be into like high fashion, like, very expensive stuff. So I wouldn't say I didn't shop in the city, but I would shop like more so like in Bloomingdale's,
All right.
Saks Fifth, things of that nature.
I heard you mention your brand, so
Where you want to start from?
wherever you got, let's go to.
We'll start with the shoes.
Let's start with shoes. All right, let's start with shoes. Start with
These are
shoes.
Pradas, you know what I'm saying? Regular
Let's
shit.
see the side of those. That's fine.
Regular. Some good denim. Gotta have some good denim, you know what I'm saying?
That's true. That's
Purple
true. Always
jeans.
with the good.
Of course, these are the varsities coming from my brand, Wassup Creators.
That's what's
Take a good look at it, you know what I'm saying? Got a few colorways with this.
All right.
I also got this hoodie, my Metamorphosis hoodie. We got these available as well. So,
Let's go.
feel me? Like,
Right. That's tough right there. That's tough right there.
so, you know what I'm saying?
That's
We
fine.
out here working, baby. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
what's up. That's what's up.
I try not to wear too much of other people's stuff.
Yeah.
But I sprinkle a little bit, and I'm not gonna make my own sneakers, so I'm gonna always have some decent feets, and you know what I'm saying, some decent denim. You know what I'm saying? I would say it's luxury streetwear. Like I told you earlier, I was into like high fashion.
Yeah.
But I figured, like, why would I spend all this money, these thousands of dollars on these clothes, trying to make something that's relatable, affordable, and still look good, like, luxury sense, but still a streetwear sense. Divine feeling, everything around us is divine. What we dealing with right now is divine.
Yeah.
When I walk down the streets, I want to feel divine. When I wear my fly shit, I want to feel divine. And silver lining is like, you know, even when it's darkness, it's hope. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna always be a silver lining.
That's dope.
No matter how bad your day is, no matter how you feel life is fucked up or whatever the case may be, it's always gonna be a light at the end of the tunnel. It's always gonna be a silver lining. So that's divine silver lining, you heard?
As a designer, what advice do you have for other creators such as yourself?
Bet on yourself.
Oh,
Bet on yourself.
yeah.
And don't let nobody deter you from doing what you really want to do, man.
Yeah.
And take that step as well, because sometimes people will want to do things and be like, I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
But tomorrow's not promised, man. You gotta take this shit by every minute, man.
Yeah.
So, you know what I'm saying? Take the next step and do what you gotta do. Don't wait for nobody to validate you or somebody to tell you that something is good. Just try it. And don't knock it until you try it.
All right, creator, let everybody know who you are once again, where they can find you, your handles and everything.
Yeah, man, this is Dream, Divine Silver Lining, CEO, co-CEO, you know what I'm saying, and designer of Divine Silver Lining. You can catch me on IG at Divine Silver Lining, spelled exactly how it sounds, and you know what I'm saying, we can go from there.
All right, Divine Silver Lining, thank you very much for this interview, much appreciated.
Yo, hold on, I appreciate you though, you feel me? Like, thank you for the opportunity.
I'm blessed, bro. Thank you so much for that, man. I appreciate that. What's going on, creator? How we feeling today?
Woke up, can't complain, man. God is good. The limbs work.
That's what's up.
I'm a free thinker. I'm rich.
Let the people know what's your name and where you from.
Pharaoh of fashion. Puff. Prevail over fuck shit.
First question I'm gonna run into is, where do you shop in New York City, if anywhere?
With myself, with my friends. Maybe a little Prada sometimes. Shout out Lambs. Shout out Beastroy for sure. It's one of my favorite black-owned brands right now. Shout out Brick. Shout out Dewey. Shout out Ashton too.
These are all designers?
Indubitably. These
That's
are paradigm shifters like myself. Just really right about now where I'm at with it is like up and coming black owned brands like Barriers.
Yeah.
My shit. Shout out me and Chief Justice Patches. We got some shit for y'all niggas. Y'all don't even understand.
So this is what you're working on right now, what you wearing?
This is me and Chief Justice Patches. This is
so let's get a clean look at that if you don't mind. Let's get a clean look at that.
So it's a story behind these really. So
Right.
I actually went viral fighting in this shirt. I'm known for wearing this brand, you feel me? You could call me Moon Knight.
Yeah.
So now I went viral fighting on Ian Connor's page, modeling the sicko.
Yeah.
So what I did was I took that moment and I cut it,
Yeah.
turned it into my own moment, you feel me?
Yeah.
This happens to be one of Ian Connor's affiliates.
That's what's up.
Brand
That's
Bloody
fire right
Dior.
there. I like that.
Yeah, it's a brand called Mood Swings. This tee rare as fuck. I ain't gonna hold you. Niggas might be mad that I got it on a pair of jeans, but that's their business.
How do you feel about the state of fashion today?
Oh man, bro, I must admit, as the Pharaoh of fashion, as a paradigm shifter, as someone that is really, really into fashion,
Yeah.
like I like to study what I wear and shit like that. I feel like a lot of people's clothes wear them,
Yeah.
and they don't wear their clothes. Like I could get fly in Walmart, like this is an American Eagle jacket, but it's custom.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Shout out At Night We Pray, my boy. You got this. We made this for me. You feel
That's
me?
what's up. It's tough right there.
Yeah, you feel me? Everything we do is tough. So it's
Yeah.
like these was Banana Republic jeans, $8 thrifted. Now they worth $2,000 the way they look. And I'll talk to somebody with holes in their shoes, white, black, Asian, anything. You feel me?
Yeah.
You got people wearing Teflon bags, black-owned brand. Shout out Teflon, and they ignoring black people. Or sometimes I'll see an Asian person, hey bro, I like your Yeezys, and they act scared. Bro, Kanye, that's not fashion, you just consuming.
Exactly.
People are
Exactly.
consuming.
Yeah.
They're not themselves. They don't even, the moon and star and the hook, they don't even understand. Uzi told these niggas already recently, y'all don't even understand nothing, and y'all really don't.
Yeah.
And that's okay. Try to understand fashion. Fashion is supposed to bring people together.
Mm-hmm.
There's no reason you wearing a Goyard bag and you think that you better than somebody wearing a Michael Kors bag, especially if y'all both women. Or if a dude got on an MCM belt and dude got on a Gucci belt. Nigga, MCM, I was wearing that shit when it was $210 in Bloomingdale's. It just became the same price as a Gucci belt, but you understand the point?
Yeah.
MCM worked hard enough to get to Gucci belt prices, so
Yeah.
it's not better than, no brand is better than the other. And Niggas don't even know what MCM means.
That's another fact.
Mode Creation Munich. It's from Munich, Germany. Holla at your boy. In the honorable words of my boy Dan Gritty, it's a feel, not a look. Feel me?
So as a designer, what advice would you give to up-and-coming designers such as yourself?
Make sure your brand means something and you're not just trying to get in people's pockets. My brand is called Social Dissection. So it's about social interactions, mental health awareness, autism. That's why That's why I got into the shit with the different races and how people be wearing shit, because that's all social interactions.
Yeah.
Race and class and all that shit is social shit.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't really care if you ignore me or whatever, but it's like that's a reflection of you as a human. Motherfuckers is not human in their clothes. Their clothes are them, literally. You're a piece of cotton. I ain't better than nobody. I'm trying to be better than the Pharaoh I was yesterday.
Yeah.
I ain't, feel me? I'm myself. Everybody, you feel me? I'm human like everybody else, you feel me?
Yeah.
Even though I'm God body, but it's like, it's not, this ain't me flexing or thinking I got a superiority complex or none of that. I'm still learning every day. Every day I try to learn. And if I don't, I'd be mad as hell at myself.
All right, Creator, that's what's up, man. Appreciate that advice. I'm pretty sure someone will find a lot of jewels in those words you spoke. That concludes this interview. Appreciate you. You know, let the people know where they can find you, all your handles, and everything.
At Pharaoh Fashion, you feel me? Or at Real Cozy Bone, you feel me?
All right, now. All right, Creator. Appreciate the interview. Be safe.